In today's video, you will learn about the free AI tools that convert texts directly to video.
I was not made from picture, my friends. I was made directly from text. Just a simple text got me talking like this. I was made directly from text. I'm not the only one.
And the most interesting part is that these AI tools are free and unlimited.
Just a simple text got me talking like this. I was made directly from text, and I'm not the only one.
Join the family. Let's learn together. Queen Victoria will show you the AI tool that she used.
So the first AI tool we are going to use is called Qwen AI. So you're going to go to your browser and you type in Qwen AI, and then you click on search. It will take you directly to place. Here, this place, you click here. And then wait for it to load. So it has brought us to this page, and if you have not signed in with your Gmail account, you have to sign in at this point, although I've signed in with mine. So as you can see here, it says image editing, this place, image editing, thinking, video generation. This is the one we are going for, which is the video generation. This place, as you can see, this place is where we are going, what we are going to use, which is the video generation. You can use it for other things. You can even use it for image generation, okay, for search and other things. But for this purpose, we are going to make use of video generation. So I'll click on video generation and it will bring us to another interface. Okay, it has finished logging in, and you can see, say, how can I help Onoja Victoria? Okay, so now we are going to click on this plus sign here, this place, and it will bring us to this interface which says you see thinking tools. We are going to hit on great video. Let me see if I can circle that. Okay, here it says great. So I'm going to click on it. You can see it says describe the video you want to generate. This place you are seeing 16:9 is the frame, that is the frame you want your video to be in. But I don't want to use 16:9. Here you see 1:1, 3:4. I'm going to choose 9:16. That is the frame that I want to use, and it has changed automatically. So what we are going to do now is we are going to generate we are going to get our text. Already I've prepared my text and I'm going to place it here so that it can generate the video for me. So I'll place in my prompt here, and then I'll click on this arrow in blue to generate the video. So it takes a little bit of time, so we are going to wait patiently for it to generate the video. So while waiting for the video to generate, I want to explain something. Like this text you're seeing now, it said a beautiful 3D pixel African woman with smooth brown skin, blah blah blah. You know, I placed in the dialogue and also the camera style and the sound effect, that's the sound and the music, everything is in order. Now there's a prompt I use for it, which is a master prompt, and if you want to get that prompt, you need to join our Telegram channel. We have a Telegram channel of which I put in all the prompts that I use to get the beautiful results that I'm getting. Okay, so if you join it, the Telegram channel, you'll be able to get the master prompt. So it has finished generating the video. Let's play it and see.
Just a simple text got me talking like this. I was made directly from text. I'm not the only one.
So what do you guys think about it, about the video? Although, you know, Qwen AI only makes 5 seconds video. That's it, only 5 seconds video. So what do you guys think about the video? You can put it in the comment section and then we'll discuss about it. So if you want to download the video, already I've downloaded my own and I didn't really actually remember to, but I'll show you in further videos. You click on this white arrow down here, the one that is going down, then you download your video to your device. And the second tool that we are going to use for the text to video generation is Google Flow. So I'm going to head on back to my Chrome browser again and I will type in Google Flow, okay, and then I will send it so that it has already brought me to this interface. So you're going to click on this first one, Google Flow AI, and then you wait for it to load. Okay, it has brought us to this interface which says great with Flow. So wait for it to load. So when you come to Google Flow, if you have not signed in, then you have to sign in with your Google account. Just then, if you want to know more about this flow, there's a video in the channel already that teaches you how you can use Google Flow from the starting to the finish with all the features. So you can go to the channel and check the video out, and it's very explicit. When you watch the video, you'll be able to use it perfectly. So I'm going to click on new projects, although I have some projects waiting for me, but you have to click on new project to take you to a new interface. So yeah, I'm going to click this place, this downside. We said Nano Banana Pro. I'll change it to video here. You change it to video. Then if you want the video to, that is the frame, just like in Quen AI, you press on this 9:16. That's what I want, the frame of the video. And then also, if you want the video to be like, you want one video or two videos, you click on anyone, or you want the video to be in three. But mind you, this Google Flow works with credits. So if you click on three videos, your credits will quickly finish. So I'm clicking on one video, and also here you see the video 3.1 light, video 3.1 fast. I'm clicking on the light because it consumes less credits. So this is the one I want. Okay, and if you want more clarity on this, you have to watch that video on Google Flow tutorial in our channel. So I'm going to click on this arrow here, and I'll send it for you to start generating the video for us. So it takes a little time. It's not slow, it's a bit fast. So you wait patiently for it to generate the video. So the video has been generated. Let's play it and see.
In today's video, you will learn about the free AI tools that convert texts directly to video.
Wow, this is beautiful. This is really beautiful. At least this the Google Flow is really trying though. So you should comment in between Google and Quen AI, which do you prefer? And for that comparison sake, I'm going to place in the prompt of that first video that I made in Quen AI. I'll make it in Google Flow so that we'll see the output too. So I'm going to hit this download icon here so that I'll be able to download the video. So download in 720p. Okay, it has downloaded to my device. So I've already done the comparison, and let me play it so that we'll watch it.
Just a simple text got me talking like this. I was made directly from text, and I'm not the only one.
This is beautiful. To me, this is better compared to the result that Quen AI gave me. So what do you guys think? Put your comments down in the comment section. If you have any confusion or video requests, like you have any video you want us to make for you, then you put them down in the comment section and we will make that video for you, because I read all your comments one after the other. So if you know that you have gotten value and this video has helped you, then subscribe to the channel and also click that like button, because that will make YouTube to also show the video to other people that needs it, like other people like us that needs the video. Okay, so bye for now, and I'll see you in another video. Remain blessed.